Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy, friends. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss an important topic as far as AMI summer exam is concerned. That is, the June 2020 exam will be conducted by Institution of Engineers or not. So friends, you people know it very well that it's the second phase of lockdown that is presently going on, and naturally summer 2020 exam or all the summer exam used to held from the first week of June. So friends, as per UGC guideline, all the colleges and universities are closed till 10th June 2020. So at this point of time, it is not possible for institute also to conduct the exam from the first week of June, that you know very well. And friends, I would like to inform you and I would like to show you a mail copy, the response copy from the Institution of Engineers, what Institution of Engineers said that what will happen to the June 2020 exam, and you should apply for June 2020 exam or not. That's also I will discuss in this video. Please watch the video till the end, and if you are having any queries, then please let us know by commenting in the comment box below. So friends, as far summer 2020 exam routine is concerned, the exam schedule was from 6th June 2020, as you can see here on the screen. So it was scheduled from 6th June 2020, but unfortunately I would say that it is not possible now. So friends, this is a screenshot copy, as you can see here on the screen. This is the copy that I have taken from the institute's website, and it is mentioned in this screenshot copy that till 27th April 2020 the application procedure will continue, and I would like to suggest all of you please apply for summer 2020 exam. And now I'm going to show you a mail response copy from the end of institute and what Institute of Engineers said regarding the exam of summer 2020, when the exam will held, so on. Friends, this is the mail response copy from the end of Institution of Engineers, and this mail was sent by one of my friends regarding the summer 2020 exam. So it is said that the postponement of the date of examination. So what institute said in this regard, I would like to show you. Institute said, "Dear sir, we are closed due to current COVID-19 pandemic, and we urge you to remain safe, including not visiting IEI headquarters or any other of states or local center. We all will get back strongly after overcoming the situation." So nothing in regards to the date of exam, that exam date will be extended or not, nothing is mentioned in this regard. So I would like to tell you that what I already have told, that till 10th June 2020 all the institutions, all the colleges, all the universities are closed, and if second phase lockdown extends in the again after 3rd May 2020, then definitely the exam date also will be extended, and otherwise it is sure that after 10th June 2020 summer exam will be conducted. So friends, if you are having any queries, then please let us know. We'll try to help in all and every situations regarding AMI. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day ahead.